Hello, everybody. My gosh, it gets hotter and hotter and hotter. So it's like late July, and it's Illinois, Midwest, cornfield, humidity going on. And wow, so I am at the cusp of kind of a new adventure here at the building. And there's a project that I have been looking forward to doing for a really long time. So I'm actually recording this intro right now. I'm speaking right now after the fact of recording all of those videos. So I know how it all plays out. I had kind of humble goals at the beginning, and over time the project kind of kept growing and growing and growing. So yeah, it's going to be at least a couple weeks to post these videos. I'm posting 2 videos a week right now. And like I said, this is something I've really been looking forward to doing for a long time. And it's all going to take place in this little room off to the side where I really haven't done much filming. I haven't showed it very much. And it's full of stuff, and it is filthy. Filthy. I did show it a couple times. It's the room where the raccoons live in the walls. And yeah, not trying to give anything away, but yeah. So it's super, super, super filthy. And it's like the hottest part of the summer, and it has taken every bit of willpower that I have to get this project done. So I don't want to spend too much time just talking, but yeah, I'm really excited about this project, and I'm really happy with how it's, it's still kind of ongoing. But yeah, join me over the next few weeks, and we're gonna get something done here. So let's get to it. So one thing I thought I'd do is just, take a quick tour around what I'll be working on today. So back here in the corner, we've got some steel doors, which are pretty neat, and some metal shelving, a bunch of paneling back there. And this entire building has all this HVAC scattered all around. If you've been around the channel very long, you know what I'm talking about. And there are a bunch of toilets. Sadly, they're not the really cute colored ones. So there are a few colored ones. I think that's like a mix between a beige and a pink. We've got golden hour sunlight coming through the window up there, so the color might not be accurate when you're looking at it on your monitor. We got a steel double farm sink here, bunch of tires, my favorite thing in the world. And yeah, so there is some potential to find something I wasn't expecting, something hidden away, tucked away. So because there's lots of paneling and stuff, and there's a door there, and you never know what you're gonna find once you start uncovering stuff around this place, because people over the years have hidden stuff in here. They thought, well, I'm gonna come back for that, and I'll tuck it over here where nobody can find it. I've talked about that before on here, but yeah, I won't know till I get into it. So yeah, this is gonna be a dirty job too. I think I need to go get a mask and some gloves. So I'm gonna take care of that first. It's like a law of the universe. Whenever you're looking for gloves and you find 2 of them, they're from the same hand. Dang it. So I just found a glove outside. Looks like an alien hand. Found that outside. Been mowed over 3 times. Been out in the weather for a year, but it's right-handed. Okay, I'm dressed the part now. Time to get busy. Okay, so this is actually the next day, and because it got dark yesterday. And I'm back here today, and as you can tell, it's getting dark in here again. Got a new mask, and yeah, something that I haven't mentioned so far is that, like, in the mornings I'm taking this online course, and I get finished at 2:30, so I do whatever I have to do to get back over here, and then it's almost dark again. So today I brought something to help me, because I'm determined to stick it out until I make some progress. Let me show you what it is. It's a static video light. So something I can just point up here in the room and give me some light so that I can work as late as I want tonight. So, okay, now I'm officially blinded. Okay, so time is wasted. Okay, so it's like a constant battle because I want to wear those gloves right there, but I can't operate my phone to record if I do. So I've been eyeballing these metal doors here for a while, so I'm gonna get those pulled out and check those out. That's a brand new door, still got plastic on it. So that's a pretty heavy duty steel door. It had the original plastic on it, so it's brand new, but there's no window in it. So it's like a powdered baby blue. And sadly, the other doors are wood. I think there's two semi-solid ones. I know that's weird. This is like a hollow foam core one. And I always look at the bottoms. If they're chipping and peeling down there, then they go on the burn pile. But that one seems like it's in pretty good condition. And the semi one that I was talking about, I don't know what they are. They seem like they're hollow, but they're super heavy. And that's what I'm talking about, the peeling. So normally that door would go on the burn pile, except it is so heavy I can barely pick it up, which there's another one there. I'm thinking that might be a great tabletop for a workbench. And I could definitely use some work surfaces around here, so I think I'll keep that guy. Okay, so here's some more catalogs. And I think these are, I'm pretty sure these are too far gone. But all around the factory are these catalogs and old magazines and, some really, really old ephemera with amazing graphics. Wow, those are some cool dudes. So I think I'm gonna dedicate one afternoon to kind of looking through all that stuff. And it's in better condition than this. This is pretty rough. But yeah, I think I'd make a video because some of the catalogs have amazing artwork and old advertisements and really cool stuff. So yeah, stay on top of me. Don't let me forget to make that video because every time I look at that stuff, it gets me excited. So okay, so it's getting really dark at the moment. Man, I need a haircut. Oh. If I stay in here much longer, I'm not going to be able to find my way out of the building. So I wanted to get further along than I have, but that's where I'm at now. I kind of got the bulk of it out of that whole end of the room. I'm setting all the old tools and stuff that I find over in that back corner. So I'm going to go through those at the end of the video for something to look forward to for you guys. So I see this floor here. And I was thinking to myself, what is that called? Is that like parquet floor? And I looked it up on Google, and it's called pain in your butt asbestos flooring. So, asbestos, it's the bestest. So, I don't know that it's asbestos, but I found boxes of asbestos tile upstairs. And it looks pretty similar. So, thanks to Neil, I have actually a lead paint testing kit and an asbestos testing kit. So I'll be testing lots of stuff around the building so I can finally get a handle on what's going on with all this stuff. So, all right. That's it for today. I'm right back in the morning. So this is what I look like. Oh my gosh. Sun's almost down. Time to get out of here. You know how like when you work with fiberglass and you get that itchy feeling and there's little tiny micro shards of glass? There's some bigger fiberglass pieces in there with much bigger shards of glass. When I rub my hand across where it's stabbing me, I can feel the chunk and pull it out, and it's all over my arm. So horrible. So tomorrow I'm gonna have to figure out something better. So. Okay, so I'm back at it, and my gosh, this place is dirty. So for the most part, this room is like supposed to be in a brick building, basically hermetically sealed. There's some windows that are cracked out up there. But where does this filth come from? I mean, I'm not one, as you can tell from watching this channel, I'm not one that shies away from getting dirty and doing some work. But this place is filthy. I mean, you know how you get like a ring in your bathtub? I wouldn't have dared take a bath yesterday. My shower had a ring in it. Yeah, it's bad. It's bad. So it's on with the mask and back to work. Okay, we got this, I guess it's like the guts of an air conditioner. And we got these copper noodles on those. So I'll run the Sawzall across that and save that copper. And I think this radiator, because it's like aluminum fin with copper tubing in it, I think they have a special price for that at the scrapyard. So I won't be throwing that in with the rest. I'll try to get top dollar for it. So have you guys heard of those channels that are like, I think they're called like ASMR or something like that, where people talk real calm and they try to relax you, and I guess you turn it on when you want to go to sleep or chill out or whatever. And those channels get like millions of views. And, you know, the market's getting pretty crowded on those, so I thought I would flip it around and I would make a channel that brings you anxiety. It brings me anxiety. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Okay, so I don't know if you know much about the summer in 2023, but it is super hot. And they said that like 7 of the hottest days in recorded history are this month. So I can believe it. It is so muggy here. And I'm trying to sweep this, and it's kind of like sweeping mud up. That's how humid it is. So I decided to run and get some industrial grade trash bags, because I do not want to move that again. I want to just scoop it up into trash bags, and it'll be much easier to handle when I take it to the landfill. So yeah, that's gonna be almost it for today. I know that sometimes I say I just got here, and then 20 seconds later I'm saying that's it for today. But I'm doing like all kinds of things in between the shots on these videos. So I've been here for quite a while. But I wanted to wrap up. I'm glad you're still with me. I wanted to wrap up by showing you a few of the things that I found so far in this room. So nothing like crazy, super exciting, but some things worth noting. So check this out. Let me take you out here and show you what I've kind of already pulled out and set aside. That's how dark it gets in this building. It's only like, it's not even 6 p.m. and it gets dark at 8 p.m. So, but in this building, you just don't have as much time. So it's a little better out here because of all those windows there. And so we got those doors that I mentioned earlier. And I found 4 shutters. So somebody could do a couple windows. I've got this gold colored corner trim here. 3 pieces of it still wrapped in plastic. An old farm sink, and then a blue toilet, and there's the lid back there, super dirty, and a couple vintage windows, and a steel door frame, which is gonna come in super handy because I need to do some repair on the one that got damaged when we had the fire. So I'll be able to use that guy. So it's great to find that. So, okay, can you tell how hot and tired and dirty I am right now? So I'm gonna call it a day, and next week, we're gonna get right up to the point where I can reveal the whole reason that I'm cleaning out that room. And let me give you a hint. It's not to make a break room. There's actually something I wanna do in there, and I've been waiting a long time to do it. So stay tuned for the next video. Thanks, guys. Talk to you soon.